Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So today we will talk about the Pancakeswap next pump, and definitely, my friend, the today market result which I see 100%. I understand to the market, all crypto market was moving upward. How much the Pancakeswap was increasing in upcoming days in the price. My friend, the price target. If you listen this, trust me, my friend, you are very shocked out. But this time, first of all, check out this volume is 9.82% increase, so you will need to invest, my friend, more in Pancakeswap. Let's be talking about this, my friend. But first of all, if we check out the market cap, 1.03%, the market cap is increasing, and 1.22% the price is increasing. So if we check out the chart reason, my friend, we will completely understand. But kindly subscribe this channel, man. If you want free signals, just subscribe this channel, and for reduction video also, my brother. So this channel is good for you, kindly subscribe it. Alright, if we check out just in only this point, my brother, so this was clearly show you to the price is jumps down from resistance line, and when the price was hit the highest point. So after a dump, every coin was pumped, and as you can see, my friend, this was the highest point. So the highest point price was just in only 4.280. Absolutely, this time the price, the highest price point of the price you can see is definitely 4.280. But in the current price, as you can see, my friend, definitely I think the current price was my friend, it's 2.2562 USD dollars. So the current price is very cheap from that, and I'm sure, my friend, very fast, my friend, they will hit this highest target, because after them, absolutely they will pump up, and if they will come here again, so remember to they will hit this highest target. My advice, my opinion is for everyone to kindly, if you are long-term investor, then you will need to invest in Pancakeswap without any research. But kindly, if you are short-term investor, you will need to research about Pancakeswap, and after that, if you understand to this was good time, this is good time for investment, then 100% invest now and get very huge profit in very short time. But if you are long-term investor, then kindly research personally about that now, because this was very important now for everyone. So hope you understand something new in this video. Kindly, if you are new my channel, just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for free signal video. Remember to, I will notify you when Pancakeswap price was pumping or dumping. All right, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.